So taking a look here, we have our question, y minus z is equal to 4, and we want x to be the subject of the formula. However, this time it is a little different because we have y minus x even, it's minus x, and we need x to be on its own. It can't be minus x, we need x to be on its own. So there is two methods I like to teach for doing this, and you can decide which one you like more. So our first method, it's just to do what we've done. So we have y minus x equals 4. So we need to, first of all, make x positive. So we are going to add x to both sides. And when we add x to both sides, that's going to give us y minus x plus x is equal to 4 plus x. And then solving on the left-hand side, this is going to give us y is equal to 4 plus x. And you might be able to see now how we can start missing out the step, because when you're doing the opposite of it, you know it's just going to be 0. So you can just do y equals 4 plus x, but we need x to be the subject of the formula. And 4 is being added onto it. So now we're going to minus 4 to give us y minus 4 is equal to x. And again, if you want to imagine doing minus 4 on the right hand side, that's going to be 4 minus 4, giving you 0. So it would just be x is equal to y minus 4. And for good form, we like to write the subject of the formula on the left. So that would be x is equal to y minus 4. And there we go. Now, the second way I like to do this, and perhaps more people like it this way, but you can decide which way makes more sense for you. So starting out with our equation, like so, we need x to be positive. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply everything by minus 1. Because by multiplying everything by minus 1, we know minus times a minus is a positive, so x will become positive, and then we need x to be positive, so that is good, but our other things are going to become minus. So multiplying everything by minus 1. Y times by minus 1 is going to be minus y. Minus x times minus x, and minus times a minus is going to be positive x. And then 4 times by minus 1 is going to be negative 4. Now, making x the subject of the formula, we need to add y to both sides because it's minus y. So adding y to both sides is going to give us x is equal to y minus 4. And you can see we get the exact same result. It's just two different ways of thinking about it. So now we've seen this, moving on to our final example.